As I was going through this dream phase of the project, it was just, wouldn't it be kind of nice to have a boat that you could just sort of hide away on, and you'd be totally self-contained. You'd have everything you need, even electrical power, because of the solar panels. And I wanted it easily trailerable in the sense that I didn't have to get permits for the extra beam. So that's why it's just barely under 8.5 feet in beam. I wanted solar panels, electric outboard, reasonable battery bank, comfortable for 2 people. It's a boat that's 22 feet long. We're not talking luxury, but certainly 2 people can live on here comfortably. The motor that we chose for this boat is a 6 kilowatt Ilmor Ion 6 electric motor. One of the reasons that I picked this particular electric outboard is because it's got power lift, power tilt, power trim. Basically, I don't have to try and lift that outboard out of the water. There are 4 48 volt 96 amp hour Dakota lithium iron phosphate batteries, and there are 8 100 watt solar panels. The 2 most common questions I get asked are how fast and how far. Well, the top speed of this boat is about 6 1/4 knots. And at 4.5 knots, I can cover about 53 nautical miles using 80% of the battery.